Thanks for joining me again. I feel like in the Dominican society, when one wants to upgrade or buy a new smartphone, the choices are ultimately get an iPhone or get a Samsung Galaxy S device. But there's so many other devices out there, like the Google Pixel line. These devices offer the true, raw, unfiltered, unadulterated Android experience minus the bloatware. They also come with the opportunity to get the latest Android updates before any other Android devices. Earlier this year, Google released the Pixel 4a as a follow-up to the Pixel 3a. The A line is a more affordable line as compared with, say, the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 3 and your Pixel 5 coming soon. Only $349 US dollars, of course, you get one of the latest phones with the Android 10 operating system, as well as 3 years of software support by Google. When I say software support, I mean that Google will issue software updates to the Pixel 4a for a period of 3 years. Thanks to some otherwise unforeseen circumstances, I had the opportunity to unbox a Pixel 4a, which I will share with you right now. Phones are typically placed screen up in the box. However, as soon as you open this box, Google has placed its branding front and center. On the back, we have a single 12.2 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, as well as a fingerprint reader to the middle of the phone. The back is made of plastic, which houses a 3140 milliamp hour battery. However, this phone does not support wireless charging. There are no physical buttons on the left side of the phone apart from the SIM card slot, which is towards the bottom. And on the right, we find the silver power button as well as the volume rocker. I'm gonna set this aside for now so that we can have a look at what else comes in the box. In here, we find the manuals that introduce us to our new device. The inclusion of a SIM card ejector in your phone package is a really nice touch that Google has implemented ever since their Nexus devices. And it's pretty interesting that everything comes with this sort of plastic tab for easy lifting. Moving along, we find our USB C to C charging cable and our 18-watt fast charging brick. They have also included a USB C to C transfer adapter for quickly transferring your files from your previous device. Forgive me, this is clearly a struggle trying to get this out with one hand. Now that we've seen everything, let's repack the box and take a look at our brand new phone. As I power the device on, we can clearly see the 5.81-inch full edge-to-edge OLED 1080p display. We also have the 8-megapixel punch-hole front-facing camera over on the top left. Just a little background information as the device powers on. This Pixel 4a is being powered by the Snapdragon 730G microchip. It is 4G and LTE enabled. It has 6 gigs of RAM and comes with 128 gigabytes of storage. We can really see the Snapdragon processor at work with this very quick startup, and we have finally seen the very beautiful startup Google animation. The Pixel 4a definitely has a lot going for it under that mid-range moniker. Let me know what you guys think. Would you cop a Pixel 4a? I'd like to thank everyone for joining me again. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and important, share with your friends and family, because who knows, they might be in the market shopping around for a device right now and might not be able to afford the Galaxy S20 or the iPhone 12. So do your social good today and hit that share button as well. Thanks so much for watching.